Hi students, and welcome to week 9 in your online general psychology course. This week we will cover chapter 7, which is over memory. And so it fits in nicely after last week learning about learning and now looking at how we acquire that information through learning and make it relatively permanent through memory storage. So let's take a look at this week's module. So for the week, you only have 2 assignments. Your chapter 7 connect assignment, which is over the serial position effect, and rehearsal failure, which are 2 concepts you'll learn about in this chapter, and the chapter 7 quiz. And those are due by Sunday, October 29th. But I also want to point out that your midterm, which covers chapters 1 through 7, is due on Wednesday, November 1st. So that's a little unique, having something due midweek. So it's after the chapter 7 assignments are due and into the following week, but it's open. And so you can take it whenever you're ready to take it. You don't have to wait for November 1st to take it. It is fine to take it. I would suggest that you make sure you take the chapter 7 quiz first, because the midterm is over chapters 1 through 7, and that review of taking that quiz will help you prepare for the midterm exam. The best way to prepare for the midterm exam is to go over here in the blue to your McGraw-Hill Connect. And I need to be careful because I don't want to pull up. My view shows all of your grades, but go to the McGraw-Hill Connect over on the left-hand margin, and then go to the section, and then yours will look similar. It may look a little bit different than my view here, but you'll have access to all of your chapters that you've done so far. And this is where I'm not going to click much further because it will start pulling up grades, which I don't want to show. But you'll see the assignments that you took for chapter 1. I think yours says something along the line of like review results, or something. You'll have a little highlighted sentence after your, like, for instance, your chapter 1 quiz. If you click on that and review results, I think is what it says, then your quiz and the answers that you chose and the corrected answers. Now, there is a little bit of delay, so you may not see your chapter 7 with the correct answers. If you need correct answers, pop up right away, but you can always reach out to me. But certainly those ones in the past, you should be able to see the question, what you answered. If you did get it wrong, what the correct answer is. If it's right, it'll be in green. So that's a great way to review for the midterm exam. Again, the midterm exam is due Wednesday, November 1st, and it is over chapters 1 through 7. It's a review. You've already done those 7 chapters, and so you should be prepared and do well on that midterm. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. I hope you have a great week, and I will be back next week to talk about our next chapter.